So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about some of the important points in units and dimensions topic. Okay, so let's get started. So point number 1, so whenever you see a expression of like this, okay, e power something, okay, then whatever comes in this position, okay, e power position, okay, whatever comes in this position, that is a dimensionless quantity. Okay, whatever comes in the power of e, okay, that is a dimensionless quantity, and this e, okay, and this expression entire, okay, this entire expression is also a dimensionless quantity. Okay, then point number 2, okay, whatever comes inside this logarithmic, okay, whatever comes inside the logarithmic expression, that is a dimensionless quantity. Okay, whatever comes inside a logarithmic expression, that should be a dimensionless quantity, and this entire log term, okay, this entire log term is also dimensionless. Okay, then point number 3, okay, whatever comes inside this sign, okay, whatever comes inside this sign, okay, that is also a dimensionless quantity. Okay, dimensionless quantity, and this entire sign term, okay, that is also dimensionless. Okay, then point number 4, okay, that means whatever comes inside a trigonometric ratio, okay, that should be dimensionless, and this entire term is also dimensionless quantity. Okay, so similarly whatever comes inside, okay, inverse trigonometric expression, okay, that should be a dimensionless quantity, that should be a dimensionless quantity. Okay, and this entire term, okay, this is also your dimensionless. Okay, similarly whatever comes in the power of any number, okay, whatever appears in this power, okay, that is a dimensionless quantity, and this entire term is also, okay, dimensionless. So these are very important points, okay, and they are very useful in solving the problems from unit and dimensions topic. Okay, so you should keep these things. Okay, so first thing, whatever comes inside the power of e, okay, that is a dimensionless quantity, and this entire term should also be dimensionless. Okay, similarly whatever comes inside this logarithmic expression, that should be a dimensionless quantity, and this entire log term is dimensionless. Okay, similarly whatever comes inside a trigonometric ratio, okay, that should be dimensionless, and this entire term is also dimensionless. Okay, similarly whatever comes inside a inverse trigonometric expression, that should be dimensionless, and the entire term is also dimensionless. Okay, similarly whatever appears in the power of a number, okay, whatever appears in the power of a number, that is a dimensionless quantity, and this entire term is also dimensionless. Okay, so these are the very important things. Okay, then next, let's say I have a expression like, okay, dy by dx. Okay, the dimensional formula of dy by dx, okay, that is equal to the dimensional formula of y upon x. Okay, and that again equals to the dimensional formula of y upon the dimensional formula of x. Okay, and then what number 2, the dimensional formula of d square y upon dx square. Okay, so that is equals to y upon x square, dimensional formula of y upon x square. Okay, similarly the dimensional formula of dqy upon dx square. Okay, that is given by the dimensional formula of y upon x square. Okay, so in general we can say that in general the dimensional formula of d for n y upon dx for n, that is equal to y by x power 1 dimensional equal to the dimensional formula of y upon x power n. Okay, this is very important thing that you should keep in your mind. Okay, and next thing comes that the dimensional formula of this quantity, okay, the integration of y dx, that is given by the dimensional formula of yx. Okay, and that is equals to the dimensional formula of y multiplied by the dimensional formula of x. Okay, or you can say that the dimensional formula of f of x into dx. Okay, the integration of that is equals to the dimensional formula of f of x into x. Okay, and that's equals to the dimensional formula of f of x into dimensional formula of x. Alright, then next, let's it is the type C. So the dimensional formula of a power n is given by dimensional formula of a power n. Okay, so dimensional formula of product like AB is given by the dimensional formula of A into dimensional formula of B. Okay, point number 3, dimensional formula of A upon B is given by dimensional formula of A by dimensional formula of B. Okay, the next, dimensional formula of A plus or minus B is given by dimensional formula of A equals to dimensional formula of B. Okay, or we can say that the dimensional formula of A plus B equals to dimensional formula of A, and that again equal to the dimensional formula of B. Or similarly you can say that dimensional formula of A minus B is equal to dimensional formula of A equals to the dimensional formula of B. Okay, so this is very important thing. Okay, we should keep in our mind. Okay? Very important thing. So here never said that the dimensional formula of A plus B is not equal to dimensional formula A plus dimensional formula of B. Okay, or A minus B is not equal to dimensional formula A minus dimensional formula of B. Okay, so for example, let's say we want to find out the dimensional formula of acceleration. Okay, which is given by V minus U upon T. Okay, so the dimensional formula of A, that is equal to the dimensional formula of V minus U upon T. Okay, So as you can see that it is the ratio of two things, okay, v minus u and t. So we can write this to be v minus u dimensional formula upon dimensional formula of t, okay. So this can be written as the dimensional formula of v minus u can be written as the dimensional formula of v upon dimensional formula of t, okay. So these things you have to keep in your mind, okay. So these are the very important points, okay, you should keep in your mind while solving a question, okay. So let's see an example from H.C. Verma, okay. So the question was something like this. So the question was something like the dx upon 2x minus x square whole integration equals to a power n sin inverse x upon a minus 1, okay. The question was like this, okay. The integration of 1 upon square root of 2x minus x square with respect to x equals to a power n into sin inverse x by a minus 1, okay. So this was the question and we are asked to find out the value of n, okay. So how to approach this, okay. So first thing that you can see that this quantity, okay, whatever is inside a, okay, inverse trigonometric expression, okay, this quantity, okay, this should be a dimensionless quantity, okay. This point should come into your mind, okay. The whatever comes inside the inverse trigonometric expression, that should be a dimensionless quantity, okay. This is the first thing. So this should be a dimensionless, okay. So x by a minus 1, that should be a dimensionless quantity. This should be a dimensionless quantity, okay. Again you can see that this is the difference of two things, okay, x by a minus a 1, okay. So we can write this to be the dimensional formula of a x by a, okay, equals to the dimensional formula of 1, okay, by applying this property, okay. The dimensional formula of a minus b equals to the dimensional formula of a and equals to the dimensional formula of b, okay. So these are two difference, these are in difference, so you can say that they have same dimensional formula, okay. But since one is dimensionless, so x by a should be dimensionless. That means the dimensional formula of x should be equal to the dimensional formula of a, okay. So this is the first point we should get from this, okay. Now let's look into the LHS quantity, okay, that is dx upon 2x minus x square, okay. So as we have already seen previously that, okay,